Do you guys want to be able to use up to 40 indicators at the same time on your free TradingView account? Then make sure to really pay attention to this short video. Alright guys, I just recently logged into my free TradingView account, and as you probably know, on the free version of TradingView, you can only use 2 indicators at the same time. But there's actually a way to get around this. Step 1. Open a clean chart. First, open a clean chart in TradingView. I'm currently looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, but you can use any time frame or market. Step 2. Add the DIY Custom Strategy Builder. Navigate to the Indicators tab in TradingView and search for DIY Custom Strategy Builder. Make sure to select the one at the top. Click on it and it will appear on your chart. Step 3. Configure the settings. Now, navigate to the Settings tab in the upper right corner. The settings may seem overwhelming at first, but I'll guide you step by step. You can use this indicator as a buy and sell indicator. The most important setting is the main indicator signal, where you can choose from many indicators such as MACD, VWAP, RSI, stochastic, SuperTrend, and range filter. Let's say we choose SuperTrend as our main indicator. Step 4. Add confirmation indicators. Scroll down to the Confirmation Indicators section. Here you can combine multiple indicators with the main one. Enable multiple indicators with Switchboard. The real trick is in the Switchboard section. Here, you can manually select the indicators you want on your chart. 1. Uncheck all existing indicators.